Good night, teacher. In this video, we're going to talk about coordination and subordination. First, we're going to talk about coordination. What is coordination? Coordination is the combining of two sentences which we will not refer to as independent clauses that are related or contain ideas of equal importance. The result is compound sentence. And first method, the most common way to form a compound sentence is to combine independent clause using comma plus a coordinating conjunction. Tom walked the dog, comma, so he grabbed the mail. Sorry for the O. Second method, use a semicolon and adverbial conjunction and comma. Jimmy studied for the test. Or we can semicolon, therefore, comma, he expects a good grade on the test. What is subordination? Subordination is the combining of two clauses containing ideas that are not equally important. The more important ideas is called the independent clause, and the less important ideas is called the dependent clause. The result is a complex sentence. In coordination, you use certain connecting words called coordinating conjunction or adverbial conjunction to combine ideas. In subordination, you use the two different sets of connecting words, subordinating conjunction and relative pronoun. What is the difference between a dependent and independent clause? An independent clause stands alone and as a complete thought. It could be a simple sentence. She will go to school in the city. An independent clause begins with a connecting word, although the thought has a subject and a verb. It does not stand alone as a complete thought. The idea needs to be completed. She finds a job. Join two independent clauses of coordination and subordination. Now both of the things have something in common. They both connect two sentences or two independent clauses. However, the difference is that coordination has to do with connecting ideas of equal importance, and subordination has to do with connecting more important ideas and less important ideas. What is an independent clause? Now, just in case the phrase independent clause scares you, I want to do a quick review of what is an independent clause. It is simple. A complete sentence, a sentence that has both a subject. Margot went to the park and she went all the rides. Two sentences can stand alone, has subject and a verb. It has a verb. And that's why we all independent has opposite to a dependent. So in your first example, Margot went to the park. Margot is subject and went is verb. And in the second sentence, she is subject and went is a verb. So, returning to coordination and subordination. What do we mean when we say coordination connects equal idea and subordination connects unequal ideas? Let's take a look. Using our example sentence, in this example, we have two independent clauses and they are both of equal importance. Margot went to the park and she went on all the rides. So we can join this with a coordination conjunction like and we still have our two independent clauses, but we have this coordinating conjunction coordination telling us that both of these ideas are equally important. On the other hand, we can also connect ideas with an ideas independent on. What is independent clause? Margot went to and the other idea, so in this sentence, Margot went to the theme park because she went on all rides. Margot went to the park and she went on all the rides, but were not joining them as if they're equal. Were joining them as if the reason she went to the park because she went on all the rides. So we will call this subordinating conjunction because it make one idea subordinate another idea. Use connecting words. The connecting words so used to help you become familiar with the different type of connecting word. I wanted to show you a few examples. So one on side we have our coordinate adverb, and these are words that connect equal ideas. So we're like also, beside, furthermore, however, instead, etc., etc. And this not a complete list, but you probably get the idea. These are words. Additional information that's equal. On the other side, we have our relative pronouns, that, whom, whose, which, in conjunction for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. Subordination, although, because, even if, since, until, and while. And also coordination conjunction. Margot went to the park. So of coordination conjunction. She went on all the rides. And coordinating adverb. Margot went to the theme park, therefore is of coordinating adverb. She went on all the rides. And subordination. Subordinating conjunction. Margot went to the park because is of subordinating conjunction. She went on all the rides. And relative pronoun. Margot, who is relative pronoun, went on all the rides, went to the theme park. And only for this day. Thank you.